Absolute Cinema Experience. 4DX.
So I'm looking right, huh? Now I ain't scared to kill you right now. Punk, you wanna fucking die? Oh shit.
I was designed to save the world. People will look to the sky and see hope. I'll take that from them first. There's only one path to peace. Their extinction.
I tried to create a suit of armor around the world, but I created something terrible. Artificial intelligence. It's called the Ultron program.
I'm sick of watching people pay for our mistakes.
Isn't why we fight so we can end the fight and go home?
Well, you amazingly failed.
Here we all are, with nothing but our wit and our will to save the world. So stand and fight.
No way we all get through this. I got no plans tomorrow night.
I'm always picking up after you boys.
We can tear them apart. From the inside.
That's the best you can do!
You had ass.
San Andreas.
Are you hurt? Are you hurt?
People need to know that the shaking is not over. We'll get hit again. And it's going to be a bigger monster.
I've been
Oh my God.
The earth will literally crack open. And you will feel it on the East Coast.
I love you, Dad.
I cannot emphasize this enough. You need to get out, and I mean now. If you can't, God be with you.
Hey, hold on! We gotta get over it before Crest!
Okay.
Water wars.
We are killing
But-
for gasoline.
Getting close to the terminal freakout point.
My name is Max. My world is fire and blood.
Want to get through this? Let's go! What's your name?
Absolute Cinema Experience. 4DX.
Una aclaración a todas las personas que están aquí. Esta sala no está completada. Lo que pudieron experimentar fueron algunos efectos. Tal vez los más importantes, que son los movimientos de la silla, los abanicos, la nieve, y así. Hay ciertos detalles que todavía no están finalizados. O sea, que ustedes tuvieron la oportunidad de probar así. O sea, que ya cuando vengan el jueves que viene van a tener la experiencia completa.